We are from
Really?
Belgium.
Welcome here. From Brussels or no?
No, from Austin. Yeah.
Austin. Yes, I remember that. And you feel that Ljubljana is the most beautiful city in the world?
Yes,
Of
yes.
course. I have a hug now.
Why?
Yes.
Why?
Because it makes
it's just
people
fun to
happy.
do.
That's okay. That's the first reason. I have 4 reasons for that.
4 reasons.
Yeah.
It's
It's
fun.
funny.
Yeah.
It's original.
The first reason is that Ljubljana is a clean city.
Nice buildings.
Okay, green city. 75% of all the areas are green area. And third, safe city.
Because you're mayor.
That's the fourth reason. Friendly people.
Thank you.
I'm a grandfather. It's okay. No.